Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA Kamal Ram constituency uba Shangpliang haka arpau tarik unaitung arhajar arpau ulalek banyak kendo yaki Nonghikai SSE hakmat ka office additional secretarian da ka jing ngaukhia yaki Nonghikai SSE kibala samet hajaka penyeng kali hakmat ka additional secretarian ulawan ban ai ka jing kublekti yaki Nonghikai ban ai Mynsiem badyak ren yaki jing jongki ula ongru bakani ka dei kasien kabaar Baulawan ban yuk jat ha ka ne ka jo ka jaka ha ka ban ning kong ka dei ka je khi jong ki Nonghikai adhong ha ka ba ki la dawa ban pen ke tulam bat menta saya ki Nonghikai SSE ki balawan ban yakhi ha ka ne ka jo ka jaka ban dawan na ka jing sha set tulam
SSE ka dei kolong jenwin kena enhance ya katulog jong Nonghikai SSE ekibe kategori have enhance so kumbang ile yo I bat saki ba mentai ad hoc teachers science teachers kena enhance dong imben ai ban comment salor kini appreciate ya ka jindam bala shinda government mereka cikli ke ban kuapan ka balai itu kilale balai pani Nonghikai SSE di shedin tu marha itu kor ki ong ba ka tindawa ni kolong ka ba songnya song nongrim ni pej palada ya pej makan ni ka klimat ke ban mentang iba karena kalian contoh government kala persang ban ignore ke kita ini di arti di dimans bangi ibu syakmat ke ban kolong ka proses
ha ka jing kulen bat kilat pathai khubor uba Shangpliang ulapan pau ba man badan ke assembly ulang uwei naki MLA uba jukren yaki mat ki bayadai bat ki Nonghikai bat yakakam jong ki Nonghikai SSE ulabam lenden Ulabu ru ka jengkeli da ka baong syaka sorkar basya elot ka pisa ka baki Nonghikai ki dei hok banyo banna ke eka daw ka ba penlong ya ka sorkar bakam siu ya ka tulop jengki lahan riu banai menta ula ong shu baka sorkar ka dei ban pensyai hakmat jong ki Nonghikai baro bat hadu menta ka sorkar ka klempat khot banyakren
kani kalong kesin ke baar ke bangawan ban yuk jat hakani keju ke jaka apa mensyua kiwan ki Nonghikai jong ka ad hoc de ki Nonghikai ad hoc ru ki la syong hakani keju jaka bat ki labu ki jingdawa la da kitayo menta biang yo I ki Nonghikai SSE kiwan ki syong hakani keju jaka ban raise yang ka problem jong ki syaka sorkar ka problem jong ki Nonghikai kamdei ka batmai kamtam jong ki SSE teachers menta kilabo ya kijing dawala slemba badai ban siu ya ka tulap jong ki regularly nangta menta kumbangi yo ngriu benai kimpat yo ya ka tulap jong ki manobala ban penya ya ka yeng ka sem lemdon kanono kajing siu lane lemdon ya ka tulap Namla ban snautu na kalian ke sorkar ke ka daw baka snap man bat balay ka kam ay kata ka tulop ikini lang runay ka jingkeli mata si kalong chano ka ja ka pisa ka badai hok ikini ki SSE teachers ka sorkar ka deban pensyai hakmat kini ki Nonghikai baro bat hadu menta ka sorkar kampat khot ikini ki leaders ban yakren ban penbej ngam kwa ban yi ki Nonghikai baro ki chupoi hasuro bat ban khang kherdap yaki school we cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the streets like this every time the government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state if for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means ad hoc schools were closed. Now again we see SSA teachers on the road. That means SSA schools are also closed.
Hello, Marcus.
So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected Kalakta, ya kapule puti jong ki khon jongi. Ki khon jongi kimyo shu. Ya ka jingnang jing start ki khon jongi kimyo shu ban le school. Ars nem shwa ngila yo ya kejing saja bom yo balik school namar mentah covid mentah mendala pli ke school hap khang biang namar baki strike Nonghikai. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible for this. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are requiring and try to sort out their problem, lessen the problems of the teachers. Kampunduna yikijing jong Nonghikai. Balai ba shusnap man kung. Kay kadaw. Where is the money that the central government has given? Where is the state share that is to be given? Why can't the government just come up with something? I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves in the state. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. I urge upon the education minister that the education minister should immediately call the leaders of the SSA association and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road like this. Tiga long ni. Man badon ke assembly. Nalong ubanum kong UMLA ban raise ki issues yung Nonghikai. Ya ka kam jong ke SSA ngalabam lendet. Uba Aristotle rembai uba day presiden ujung nga yaki details bangade ban keren hapo assembly. Nam jumis man ka assembly bang keren spang ki SSA. Ka juba pangayo no education minister ba uyeng ban juba wong matter is under examination. Now kata ka kentin matter is under examination kalaya mentah baro sausnem. Nadu hajar khatra. Nadu hajar khatra ngaresi kita ki issue matter under examination. Hadu kani ka klimat. Ka assembly ka bak hadu kan long hau benai September Oktober. Te hang taru. Nan sayo sngaw ya kata kaju jibab matter under examination. Kali EU kan ke sarkar. Balai kan ke sarkar ka snap man. Balai kan pensyai si Nonghikai ke ka jingye jo ka sarkar. Lada om dan pisah to batai kin bom dan pisah. Lada om la ban siu tulap to ong kin la ban siu tulap tengin khang no ki school. Nonghikai kim dei bakin sem jenjar kum ni. Menda gini Nonghikai baro ki syong hak jingdum. Dekat sarkar kan ain kam ain kan snap ni kam snap. That is the problem.